Sampalaman Maristavadokosim, Bible tasol eminap. Ipala holim Bible tasol, reading Bible tasol eminap. Bible tasol inap kisim ipala golong heaven. Tasol dispala kain talk, Bible tasol eminap, ikamwe. Mitin God emitokolsem, Bible tasol eminap. Suppose you also open Bible, show me chapter verse where God talk behind Bible tasol, Bible one pala tasol emina. Sorry true. No God talk also. Also na this pala can talk behind Bible tasol, emina talk belong God, no God. Emi talk belong man tasol. It's true. Long kia 1,500 something. Man pala man tasol, kirapim dis pala kain talk. Nembulo dis pala man emi Martin Luther. Martin Luther ito, behind him, Bible, one pala tasol, eminap. Osem na, dis pala kain talk, behind him Bible tasol, emi talk tagulong man. Ipala ini can worry too much. Emi no tagulong God, no God. Emi talk tagulong man tasol. Tasol san pala man ito question. Suppose you open Bible, long number 2 pass belong Santo Paul go long Timothy, chapter 3 verse 16, emitokorsim. Spirit belong God yet, even kamapim olgeta to, istap long book belong God. Now this pala talk emi good pala something true belong school im yumi long talk true, na belong straight im all man marry think belong all in straight. Na belong straight in walk about belong yumi. Na belong school im yumi, long all fashion is straight, long I belong God. Na verse 17, Hosem na this pala talk, I make him yumi, all man marry belong God, I kiss him true, all get a good pala fashion, name I make him yumi, ready long, make him all get a kind, good pala walk. Now we talk, look him, talk belong God, good pala, long make him man marry, he stop straight. You're right. Talk belong oti clear. Bible and good pala something true belong help him man marry long sending some life belong call na stop straight. That's all. Number 2 Timothy 3:16-17 in the talk. Talk that's all belong God is that belong Bible. That's all. Amen up. No God. Suppose you open Bible. Long number 2 pass, Santo Peter write him chapter 3 verse 16. Emi make him one pala strong pala talk. You make an harm this pala talk. Long call get a pass belong kem. Long pass belong Santo Paul. Emi sabe talk long this pala something. True, some pala talk is tap long call this pala pass. Ino clear to mass. Na imi sabe hard work. Long sabe good long as belong talk. Osem na all man ino God sabe, na believe belong call ino strong, oli sabe Paulim, this pala talk, na all get a other pala talk is tap belong book belong God too. Olsem na, oli by bagarap all geta. Now look him, inoy na plong harim na read him talk belong God is tap belong Bible, pipala imas behind him meaning straight, no can Paulim. Talk belong God. No can put him cranky meaning long talk belong God. Suppose money put him narakain meaning, cranky meaning long talk belong God, and by bagar up all geta. Now by me sabe also one meaning true is tap long talk belong God. Belong finding meaning true as true belong talk belong God is tap long Bible. You must behind him tradition belong all apostle. You know tradition belong man, no God. Tradition belong all apostle. Only show him long you meaning true belong talk belong God. As true belong talk belong God you may read him. Suppose you may open Bible long number 2 pass belong Santo Paul go long Thessalonica 2:15. You may read him also. Hosem na all brata you pala masan up strong. Na all gata talk belong God mi pala bin out him long you pala. O writing pas belong school yupala longken. Yupala mas behind you. You talk pidgin. Suppose you open to Greek or talk English, and if I look him to Kolsem, Mipala mas behind him all get a tradition belong all apostle. Mipala mas behind him. Talk about it clear true. Mipala mas behind him tradition belong all apostle. Talk belong Bible mipala redeem. Na behind him tradition belong all apostle. Good pala. You mean up long find him as true belong talk belong God is tap long Bible. Suppose you lose him tradition belong all apostle, sorry. By him Paul hurry up true na put him cranky meaning as belong talk belong God is tap long Bible and by cranky. Now this pala big pal wrong suppose man Mary he make him awesome. Now he got ask him. Why me find him tradition belong all apostle way? Tradition belong all apostle is that inside long church Jesus been walking. Been walking one pala church that's all. Catholic church. Church me walking on top long Peter's town. Suppose you step inside long this pala church, you by save good long all get a tradition belong all apostle. Now you got Bible. Now tradition belong all apostle. Now you save good. One as true is tap long talk belong God is tap long Bible. But you know Paul, boy behind you talk belong God is straight. Also na Bible yeti talk. Church strong pala post belong hol talk true. You know Bible tas all. Asum sam pala man talk Bible no God. You know Bible tas all. God talk church strong pala post belong hol talk true. You can open pass Santo Paul writing go along Timothy, number 1 pass you go along Timothy, chapter 3, verse 15. Emi to Kolsem. Also now suppose me no enough come up quick. You can look him this pala talk na by you sabe long good pala fashion you me all line belong God you must behind him. You me all line belong God. You may stop sios belong God, belong stop all time. Now this pala sios, awesome strong pala pose, ikarium talk true. Talk belong God clear. Ino Bible tas all, no God, sios I may hold him talk true. Loquanem sios, I hold him Bible, sios I write in Bible no pala testament, na sios I hold him tradition. So si sabe long as true belong talk and been writing long Bible. Suppose you like behind him talk true belong God is tap long Bible, you must step inside long sios Jesus has been walking. Nami talk again, Jesus has been walking one pala sios tas all and tap long Peter. This pala sios he got Pope. You may call him Catholic sios.